everybody, and welcome back to That Darn Yarn. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do the stitches on some of these, because some people find it a little bit confusing to do these stitches, because it can be kind of hard for some people. It just varies from time to time. So I'm going to be showing you the stitches on my 7-point star blanket. But really quick, I'm just going to be going over the crochet hook that I'm using, and the size, and then the yarn size, and just kind of that stuff. So this Susan Bates crochet hook, it is a 6mm. So yes. And I feel like I really like the handle because it's just a little bit easier for me to grip onto, and so that the crochet hook doesn't slip out of my hand. And then this yarn, I'm using the Premier Puzzle, and I think the color is, I have no idea, I forgot, but I think it's like Sky or Wrecking Ball or something like that. But yeah, it's the Puzzle Premier yarn. So yeah, and I have, and it's the size 5. And with these star blankets, you're probably gonna want to have a bigger crochet hook than you really need, just because you want the stitches to be easy. So yep, have that. And so let's get into it. So I have it where I did a chain 3 double crochet. So I'm going to do the cluster with the double crochet. So first, you're just going to want to yarn over with your crochet hook, and I'm just placing my hook into the stitch. I'm pulling up a loop. Then you're going to want to yarn over and only pull through 2. Yarn over again, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm yarning over, I'm pulling through the 2 loops again, and I'm going to do that one more time. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I should have 4 loops on my crochet hook, which I do, and I'm going to yarn over and pull that yarn through all of those 4 loops. So yeah, and that is your cluster, your double crochet connected cluster. So now I'm going to go and I'm doing the point of the star. So I'm just going to do the point on it. So I'm just yarning over. I'm going to do 1 double crochet. So I'm yarning over, inserting my hook into the stitch, yarning over, pulling through 2, yarning over, pulling through 2. Again, I'm going to do another one of those. So yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I have 2 of those. Then I'm going to do once more. And so yeah, those are called the double crochets. Now I'm going to go and I'm just going to chain 3. So I'm yarning over, pulling it through, yarning over, pulling it through, yarning over, pulling it through. And that is going to count as the thing that curves over to make the point on the edge or star. So again, so I chain 3. I'm doing 3 double crochets again. So yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm going to do it a little bit closer, yarning over, placing my hook, and there's my cat, placing my hook into the stitch, yarning over, pulling through, yarning over, pulling through 2, yarning over, pulling through 2. So I have done a cluster, and now I'm doing my point. So cluster and point. Now I'm going to do one more for a total of 3. And there I have my point. Next, I'm going to go and do my cluster. So, blooper. Okay. I'm doing a double crochet cluster. So, okay, y'all, my cat is being very distracting, and I'm sorry. But, so yeah, I'm yarning over, pulling up a loop. Oh, sorry, wrong stitch. It's actually this stitch over here. So, okay. Okay, yarning over, placing my hook into the stitch. Then I'm going to pull up a loop. So as you can see, I have 3 loops on my crochet hook. Then I'm yarning over, pulling through 2. Oh wait, I just did the wrong stitch. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, and pulling through 2 loops. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, then I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I have a total of 4 loops on my crochet hook. So I have a total of 4 loops. So yeah, yarning over, pulling through all of those 4 loops. Then I'm going to go back to the point on my star blanket. So I'm just yarning over. I'm placing my crochet hook into the stitch, which it may be a little bit hard to see, so I'm sorry. But I'm pulling up a loop. And then this is going to be a double crochet. So yarning over, pulling through 2, yarning over, pulling through, there's my cat, yarning over, pulling through 2. I'm going to do 3 of those. So, yarn over, pull up a loop, chaining 3, yarning over. Then I'm going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Now, as you can see, it might be curling up, so fix that. I'm going to lay it down, and you can see it. And I'm just flattening it out. So then, have it. And now I'm going to go back to my cluster, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 2 of those loops, yarning over, then, okay, so I'm yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through just 2 of those loops. Then I'm yarning over again, pulling up 1 loop, yarning over, pulling through 2 of those loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarning over, pulling through 2 of those loops. So again, I have a total of 4 loops on my crochet hook. I'm just yarning over and pulling through those 2. So you can see I have a little cluster, and I feel like it looks very cute. And I will be doing another video here soon once I get to the next row, just to show you how to do the next row. So, yeah. Bye, guys.